Here's day 2, problem 1. Solve the equation. Show a step-by-step transformation process. One thing that helps to keep the work nice and neat is to draw a line downward from the equal symbol. Then let's remove things from the left side of the equation until the letter x is alone. We can remove the adding 7 by subtracting 7, and over here to retain balance. Our new equation becomes negative 2x equals 14. This is equivalent to the beginning equation, but it's simpler looking. Now we can remove the coefficient of negative 2. That's being multiplied to x, so it can be removed using division. And on this side, to retain balance. Negative 2x divided by negative 2 is 1x, or simply x, and that's equal to negative 7. This is the solution to the equation. It is itself an equation, but it has the variable alone on the left side and a single number on the right side. We can check that that is the correct answer using substitution into our original equation. Where the letter x is, fill in negative 7. And then add 7 and figure out if this really makes 21. Negative 2 times negative 7 is 14, and 14 add 7 is in fact 21. Next, problem 2. The values of two variables are given. A is negative 5, B is 12. Determine all of the following. First, we want the sum of A and B. That means A plus B. A is negative 5 and B is 12, so negative 5 plus 12 is 7. Next, we want the difference of A and B. That means A subtract B. A is negative 5 and B is 12. Negative 5 subtract 12 is negative 17. Next, we want the difference of B and A. So that's B minus A. B is 12 minus, and A is negative 5. When you have a subtraction and a negative side by side, it's common to put the number in parentheses just to help the readability of this. 12 subtract negative 5 is 17. Next, we want the product of A and B. That's A times B. A is negative 5 and B is 12. Notice you can use a dot to mean multiply, or you can write two numbers side by side where one of the numbers is in parentheses to mean multiply. This makes negative 60. Now we want to do the quotient of A and B. That's A divided by B. A is negative 5 and B is 12. The answer is negative 5/12. If this reduced, then we would reduce it. Finally, we want to do the quotient of B and A. So that's B divided by A. B is 12 and A is negative 5. The answer is 12 divided by negative 5. This is equal to negative 2 and 2/5.